Profitable greetings to everyone! Before starting, I would like to show you a comment on our Russian channel, which the girl wrote under the latest videos. Based on the message, we understand that she is a beginner, and that's why I decided to record a video on how to get started in trading and start earning. The first step is to be sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video and regularly watch new videos from our team. Now, let's get to the point. To start trading, of course, you need to know the basic. To do this, first of all, surround yourself with the trader's information field as much as possible. Stay tuned for articles on the TradingView. There, experts give their technical analysis of cryptocurrencies and more. Read the articles, pay attention to the logic of the authors, and try to explain for yourself why they think so. Moving on, of course, you can't do without trading slang. All knowledge will come gradually, you just need to get into several trading charts and actively follow them. Again, if you are inside the sphere itself, you will understand and learn everything faster. As for the primitive skills, here I would recommend starting to learn technical analysis, namely elementary chart patterns and existing trends. You must understand in practice how the price moves, in order to then independently decide on its further movement. Over time, you will understand which trend is depicted on the chart, up or down. You will see the shapes of the flag, heads and shoulders, cups, triangles, and so on. And now it only remains to add practices. At first, you can use a demo account that will allow you to practice with your predictions. Most brokers allow you to do this, so there should be no complications. To begin with, I would recommend working only with short trades, up to 5 minutes, and see how you manage to predict. We analyze the chart on the TradingView website and open deals on a demo account. After practicing with a demo account, it's time to switch to real account. You can start saving up the amount for starting when you open a demo account, and when you will be ready, start with this amount. But one thing, before that, you use non-existent money, and of course, working with your real cash and demo money are two different things. Now you will worry about the possible loss, and this may interfere with your sober thinking. I always repeat that a cool head is important in trading, and especially all these moments. Clear your mind, give an analysis and open a deal. You can also increase your chances of winning by using various tools. On this way, you will insure yourself against those risks and you will have something to rely on when working. And you can do this with Calperbot, an excellent tool that gives over 100 predictions daily. Every day you receive signals that have been previously analyzed according to machine algorithms. And once you have studied the proposed pair, you can open a trade and get the result. Let me show this with the example. The bot makes an announcement of currency pair, and this one we have the dollar and Japanese yen. Considering that we have a minute to prepare, I open a pair for TradingView and then on the broker itself. Let's prepare $170 in this deal and return to the TradingView, where we will analyze the chart there. Let's note the local maximum of the price as well as its minimum. And look what a steep downtrend we have here. Look at the support levels, the price after them tries to break through, but this is unsuccessful. Everything goes to the bottom. I think you guessed that the bot will offer to go for a decrease, and so it is. The forecast for the movement down until the 17th minute. Well, everything is clear here. Let's get started. I offered you return to the platform to study the current signal indicators in more detail. Pay your attention to the sales volumes. The currency begins actively sell, and this confirms the correctness of our forecast. Let's mark the heights and lows again, and then tackle the big picture. The price falls down stepwise. It immediately catches the eye, and look at the resistance level. Each time the indicators are getting lower and lower. And now, friends, look at the mistake I made. While we were analyzing the graph, we have the opportunity to overlap. I reacted too late and opened a second trade flow, but still well above the original trade level. In the analysis of the chart, I am almost completely confident, and I think that we will win. Let's take a look at the graph provided by the bot. Yes, now the chart has jumped up a little, but I will remind you that we have a stepwise decline here, which means that after this bounce, a fall awaits us. The growth candles themselves are rather weak here, so everything is clear and precise. The price will go down, and in theory, we'll be able to get a profit from both traders, thereby doubling our profit by 2 times. So what do we have here? It smells like money that I will get from this transaction. A penny flies into a pocket. Even after making an overlap mistake, we still committed both traders and received our honestly earned money. The bot confirms the received profit. Let's go back to the trading view to take a look at the sweet chart. The price is still far from the local maximum, but the minimums are going down. Looking at this chart, we clearly see the general downward trend in prices, and we are handsome because we were able to get in. All this thanks to the bot's own analysis. We have what we have. What conclusion I want to say? Working with a bot is much easier and simpler than a completely independent analysis, but the decision, as always, is made only by you. Analyze the order of my actions. I received a currency pair, analyzed its chart, received a forecast from the bot, and only then opened a deal. During the transaction itself, you should monitor the progress of the chart and respond to surges in time. If I went to the broker a little later, I wouldn't be able to open the overlaps, and if I did, I could lose. So this is a work on the mistakes that each of you should do. By the way, pay attention to my profit from one deal. If you learn the basics of trading and work together with a bot, the same things awaits you. The main thing is to act and strive for results. If you have any questions, write in the comments. That's it for today. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and make crazy profits together with the Calperbot.